Hey, third grade, I'm just posting a video because I am not going to be in class today. So some of these puzzles it's something new. It's just a 19 level puzzle I want you to try to do. Um, so I'm just gonna, some of these are just so simple, I'm not even gonna bother explaining too much. Uh, Level one, we're gonna put two moves forward in there, hit run, and let me turn my sound on so you guys can hear the sound effects. This is just called Classic Maze. It will get more challenging as we get through it, so bear with me. This pig is ruffling my feathers. Help me to find him, so we're going to move forward one, two, three times. Just like always, if you have the right amount of blocks, you have 4 out of 4 blocks. Turn it down some, huh? Alright, we're moving on to the next one, level 3. 1, 2, forward, turn right, move forward. Turn right, move forward, 5 out of 5 blocks. Continue. Okay, so this one's a little different. We're going to go forward, turn left, move forward, turn right, move forward. So we already have one move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right, move forward. 6 out of 6 blocks. Continue on. Okay? So he's pointing into the TNT, so we're going to turn right, move forward, turn left, move forward 1, 2, 3 times. 1, 2, 3, turn left, move forward. And remember, you can always pause this if you want to take time to solve the puzzle.
One thing that computers are really good at is repeating commands. As a person, you'd get really bored if you had to do the same thing lots of times in a row. But a computer can do the same thing millions or even billions of times and not get bored and be able to carry that out really well. So for example, if I wanted to wish everyone on Facebook a happy birthday by sending them an email, it might take me more than a century to actually write out all of those emails to everyone. But with just a few lines of code, I can have a system send an email to everyone on Facebook wishing them a happy birthday. So that's what loops are and why they're valuable and something that computers can do very well. In this example, your goal is going to be to move the bird to hit the pig. Now, we're going to be able to use the repeat block in order to be able to do this very easily. You can either do this by giving the computer a move forward command 5 times in order to advance the bird 1 step each time to the pig, or you can just tell the computer to move forward once and then tell it to repeat that 5 times and it'll do the same thing. So in order to do this, you drag your move forward command and then you put it inside the repeat block. And you can click on it and tell it how many times you want to repeat the block to tell it how many steps you want it to take forward. Now, one more thing is you can put as many commands as you want inside the repeat block. So in this example, you're telling it to move forward and turn left, which it'll do 5 times. All right, good job and have fun.
Okay. So again, we could put it in there. 5 move forward, but we're just going to put 1 repeat block and a move forward, and then see you have 3 out of 3 blocks. Okay. I know I'm going fast. Mr. Cox, slow down. So this one's going to be, we're going to turn right first. Then we're going to move forward. I think it's 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's it. But first you have to turn right. Okay. Remember, you can always pause. the video. Make your puzzle, then come back. Alright, so we're gonna use a repeat block. Move forward 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And in order to change the number to 4, you just click on it and then you type 4. Turn left, and then we're gonna move forward 5 times. I'm just looking at see the differences. The space looks different to me. That was pretty simple. Right, moving on to number 9. See what I went halfway through. Then it says, whenever you see this gray block, that means you can't move it out. So this one says, when a block is gray, that means you can't delete this. Solve this puzzle using repeat block that repeats 3 times by putting these 3 blocks inside the gray repeat block. So we're going to move forward, turn left. See, it's asking for 3 blocks. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, turn left, 1, 2, 1, 2, turn left, 1, 2, turn left, 1, 2. Did I say turn left? I want to turn right. My bad. Okay, see? 5 out of 5 blocks. Right, moving on to number 10.
Every athlete knows that you get good by practicing, by repeating the same moves until you get really good, or until you reach your goal. When I was in high school, I wouldn't leave practice until I made 10 free throws in a row. Similarly, when you get to a computer program and repeat a command, you can give it an exact number of times to repeat. Or you can define a goal and tell it to repeat the command until it reaches some goal. In the next example, the repeat block is changed. Instead of specifying how many times you want it to repeat, you can use the repeat until block to tell the Angry Bird to do the same thing until it gets the pig or until it crashes into a wall. And again, we can put multiple blocks inside the loop and repeat a series of actions.
Okay, so we're just going to say repeat until pig. So we're going to move forward until pig. Okay, continue. So this is going to be the same thing. So we're going to move forward. Let me double check this. Move forward and then turn left. I could be wrong here. Okay. Okay, moving on. Okay, this is a little challenging because we have to find that big pattern, that small pattern inside the big pattern. So we're going to move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right, and then we're going to put all that inside of the repeat until.
Brains.
Discussed this before. He says brains, and then he gets all happy when he gets to a sunflower. I don't understand. Okay, let's keep going. Forgive me. I digress. Okay, so on this one, okay, this is similar, but slightly different. Can you do it in only 5 blocks? So repeat until, we're going to turn right, move forward, turn left, move forward, because see, he's pointing toward the this purple thing up here.
Brains.
Okay, so look at that again. Instead of moving forward first, we're turning right first. Here we go. Move on to number 14. Okay, so this one says, use the new if block to let me decide when to turn. Hint, you only need one more block, but learn how we set it up so you can do it on your own next time. So we have a repeat until, move forward, then we have an if path to the left. We're gonna turn left. I think that's it. Let me see. Yeah, and that's it. Okay, so we're one more to go. We'll turn left in there. Moving on to number 15. Okay, so he's going to move forward 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so repeat until sunflower. Move forward. If path to the right. Turn right. I think.
Brains.
Okay. Pretty simple. Acorn, acorn, acorn. Use an if block to get me there with the fewest numbers of blocks. So you think we're going to do the same thing? Move forward until if path to left, turn left, right? So we're just going to, let's see. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, okay. So it's pretty straightforward. Remember, you can always pause the video, look at your stuff, look at your work, and then work from there. Here we go. Number 17. It's going to be the same thing. Okay, let's do that again for practice. It isn't very different, but watch out for the wall. So we're going to repeat until move forward. If path to the left, if path to the, do we need to turn that to right? I think we do. Let's see what happens. So they just try to trick us a little bit by making us change to the left, to the right. Okay. The if-else blocks checks a condition and then goes to do one thing or another. To get me to this acorn, try using one of the blocks. So, okay, so let's try it. Let's start the same way we've been starting. If path ahead, if path ahead, if path ahead, oh, I think here. If path ahead, move forward, or else move left. So looking at that, so what we have is it's the same thing. Instead, they made it into one block. If path ahead, we're going to move forward. Anything else, we're going to turn left. Okay? Right, we're going to 19. One more practice of the if-else block. Can you get it there on your first try? So repeat until If we're going to move forward, if else we're going to turn right. Okay, so it says, can you add just 3 blocks to help me solve a more complex puzzle? If you do it right, I can walk any curvy path no matter the length. Hurry, the ice is melting. So if path ahead, we're going to move forward. If path to the right, turn right, or turn left.
Hey guys, we're here at NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab in the room where we control the Curiosity rover, which is on Mars right now exploring the planet. The rover navigates Mars using a computer program that works a lot like the last puzzle you just solved. The last bit of code you created lays out instructions that can tell any robot how to find its way through a non-branching maze or tunnel of any complexity or length. It could be a zombie, a bird, a self-driving car, or even a Mars rover. The code you wrote can get it where it needs to go.
You may not think you've learned a lot in your first hour of code, but actually, these basic concepts you've just learned are at the heart of every program or app that you'll ever create. So we've learned about repeat loops, repeat until statements, the if-else block. But hey, guess what? Don't stop here. There's tons of other stuff to learn. Visit code.org and continue your education into coding. Once you complete our full 20-hour curriculum, you'll have mastered the basics of programming and can start learning how to write phone apps, games, or robot instructions, really anything, you name it. Technology is changing everything we do, and it doesn't matter if you're young or old. Programming is fun, and guess what? Anyone can do it.
Okay, so we're done, guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon.